Ever had hiccups at the worst time and couldn't stop them? That sudden hic is actually your body glitching out. Here's what happens. Your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts without warning. When it does, you suck in air, but your vocal cords snap shut, causing that funny hic sound. It can happen when you eat too fast, drink soda, laugh too hard, or even when your stomach expands and irritates a nerve called the phrenic nerve. So next time you get hiccups, don't panic. It's just your body showing off a 370 million-year-old bug in the system.